Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick walk around of this Infiniti FX35 I just bought. It's a 2008 rear wheel drive model with the 20-inch wheels. I believe it's a Touring but without the tech package, so no navigation. But the guy who owned it before me meticulously maintained this thing, so I'm planning some upgrades, but I just want to give you guys a quick look at how it is now before I modify it. So here's my 2008 Infiniti FX35 in this autumn or copper color. It's 12 years old, but the guy who had it before me took really good care of it, and it's definitely worth appreciating. It's got 20-inch wheels on it and just some window tint, and everything else is pretty much stock. As you can see, it's got a couple of scratches and some marks down here by the exhaust from somebody probably rear-ending him softly. Not too bad, but overall looks like it's in pretty good shape. I already bought some wheels for it, and I'll show you guys those in a sec. So quick look at the interior here. Also very well maintained. I have been driving it for a couple days, so it's a little dirty inside, but you can see the floor mats are in pretty good shape for being this color. This seat usually cracks. The leather here cracks really easy from people getting in and out, but it's actually not that cracked at all, really. It's still in really good shape. You can tell this guy took really good care of the leather inside. A little dirty in here right now, but just showing you a quick. And that's the stereo, stock head unit. And the wheels are in the back right now. They will be on very soon. They're Velgen wheels. They're the VMB5 version 2. 20 by 10.5 for the rear, and then I got 20 by 9s for the front. I'll be back. So here are the wheels. Like I said, Velgen VMB5 version 2, 20 by 10.5 for the rear, and then I have these also 10.5 here, which you saw from the other side, but these ones over here are 20 by 9 are 20. And let's take a quick peek at these. I found these online for really cheap on Craigslist. The guy had them on his Challenger, but they just turned out to be the perfect fit for my Infiniti, or at least I hope they are. But they're pretty nice. Anyways, so we'll see how they come out. All right, guys. So got the wheels installed today, so it's time to check out how they look. There's the new tires from the front. So these are the Pirelli P0 tires. I did 265/45 in the front and 285/45 in the rear. I made a mistake of going 45 in the front. I should have kept them at 50 because there's a lot of wheel gap, but that's okay because I'm planning on lowering it, so that's okay. The wheels look fantastic though. So I got 9s in the front and 10.5s in the rear, which I thought were going to be a little too wide, but it turns out that offset almost was perfect because they don't really poke as much as I thought they would, and they look super beefy in the back, which I really like. Almost gives it like the M5 kind of look on the BMW SUV. I did put a little bit of rubber cleaner on this tire. Looks a little better than the others, but yeah, I think it came out really good and they look really beefy. So next is springs. We'll see how it looks after.